So from toolnut.com over in New York, I just got my Makita dual mode, dual orbit sander, and you can see it's got the dual mode on the top there and the switch on the top there as well, so it's real easy to go, and variable speed from 1 to 5. And so this is right now I have the 120 grit on it. I had the 80 on it as well, and I want to show you everybody what kind of job it does. So as you can see here, there's two different samples here, and they both have espresso stain on it, and it's kind of jittery. Espresso stain. So you could see there's a slight difference in color here between the 80 grit. These are both 80 grit sanding, and this is the forced rotation random orbit, and this is just the random orbit. So you can see what kind of job it does. Like on the forced rotation, you can see some small scratching going on here. And over on this side, you can still see the small scratching going on with the 80 grit, but it's a little finer, and as you get away, about 1 foot away, you can't even see it. So that's what happens with the 80 grit. So here's with the 120 grit. I didn't do 100 grit because I didn't have 100 grit, but I used their the 120 grit that came with it, and this is what it ended up being. So this is a random orbit, and you can see you can't make out any scratching whatsoever. It came out really nice. And over here, this is the random orbit with the forced rotation, and you could see it is very hard to see any scratching going on. So it's more aggressive with the forced rotation than the random orbit side. Same here, you got random orbit over here and forced rotation with random orbit over here. So it's a really nice aggressive sander. I really like it. I'm going to get a lot of use out of it. Like I said, I do hardwood floors, and it's going to come in handy. So anyway, hope everybody likes my video here, and I still use my little DeWalt sander here. Hate to say that, but it all is good. It all works good, but getting a lot of use out of it. So if you want, subscribe to my channel. I got some other floor sanding and floor installation videos out there on YouTube. Subscribe, ring the bell, whatever. Like, share. All right, thank you.